Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on gold, I still think it's very, very clear this is a 1, 2, 3. We actually may still be in the wave 3 right now, looking at recent price action on these higher time frames, but more than likely we probably are in the wave 4, and more than likely we're probably going to spend about 5 months in a correction, probably down to at least a 38% fib retracement before it goes up and makes a wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we do have a breaker structure to the downside on the weekly. So more than likely, this is actually still going to end up continuing down, making probably some sort of an A, a B, and a C correction down to at least the 2415 at the 38, or maybe even the 2300 at the 50%, probably making an ABC of wave 4. Heading down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, yesterday's move did continue to push up, back up to the previous highs. To me, it still looks like an A. It still looks like possibly 3 waves up for a B. I still think it's likely to make its way down for a wave C before it actually does continue back up for the bigger wave B like that. So anyways, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. So yes, it did go all the way back up to the previous highs, but to me it still looks like impulsive down. It still looks like a possible 3 waves up. So if it does give us a breaker structure to the downside, then I definitely still would take it as a sorting opportunity for the wave C. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'd be looking for a significant breaker structure down. This is a breaker structure, but that's just a subdivision of this last trend right here. This right here would be a breaker structure, or this right here would be a breaker structure. So if we do get a break down, a very, very strong break to the downside, then definitely take it as a sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend, possibly for a wave C. If it doesn't break down, which it honestly doesn't have to, but instead it continues to make higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, then definitely continue to look for longs. If it continues the higher low series, then I would just continue to look for longs. If it breaks to the downside, then I would stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.